One day, you wake up in the morning, you check your phone and find a notification after a month of no notification. So you hurry to your PC to check and reply the message. Hello, are you open for commission? Yes, of course, it will be $100. Okay, I'll pay after the art is done. On it.
1 week later.
Hey, thank you for waiting, this is your commission. Never mind, I'm not going to pay. Okay, is there anything that you could do to not fall into this situation? There are 3 things that you can add to your workflow to avoid this. But before we enter the topic, I'm sorry for the slow update lately, as I got a big VTuber commission last month, and when the work was done, I caught a cold, so I took a rest. It's not like I neglect you, alright? I'm always here. Okay, to today's topic. 1. Always ask for at least 50% payment before you do any work. On Amazon, for example, you pay first before the goods are delivered to your door. That's how they make sure the buyer doesn't run away when they got their goods. But Timmy, we are not Amazon. No way our client wants to pay us first before they get the art. Okay, first, you are right. That's why you ask for 50% instead of the full payment. Second, even if you are afraid they will cancel the commission, better be safe than sorry. Personally, I'd rather not work and get nothing rather than work hard and still get nothing. But the next point should provide better solution. 2. Use marketplace platform. It's not only artists that's afraid of scam, the clients too. VGen, Sketchmob, Fiverr, Upwork, and other marketplaces provide security for both artists and clients. The downside is the service fee that's often significantly high. For example, Sketchmob takes 15% of your income, while Fiverr charges their service fee as high as 20% of your income. One turnaround for this is to raise your own price, but it might deter some potential clients because of the expensive price. There's up and down that you should consider using the marketplace by yourself. But by the way, VGen service fee is only 5% and it's a safe marketplace for clients and artists, especially VTubers. So you want to commission a VTuber model, emotes for your stream, or an illustration perhaps? Look no further. On VGen, there's a lot of talented and well-some artists will do that for you. You can find your favorite artist here, which I believe is Hikari, right? So go to vgen.co/HikariCity for the best commission experience you'll ever get. If you go to the link just up in the request and wait for me to contact you back with a deal, it's simple, easy, and scam-proof. Oh, sorry, you are an artist. Then I believe you can go to this page on the top right and apply to join the Mason artists. They will review your passwords and art quality, so prepare your portfolio and terms of service. Good luck! By the way, if you are someone from VGen watching this video, this is not a sponsored ad. I just think the more person knows about VGen, the more potential clients will come, so I promote it out of my free will. Let me know if this part bother you so I can delete it. I mean cut it. Number 3. Diverse your payment platform. You might think, Pacini, what does this have to do with scam? Okay, listen, it's not just scammer that could scam you. Payment platforms such as PayPal could ban you without reason and freeze your money in it just because the staff has a bad mood that day. At the end of the day, these platforms are a borderline scam. They can run with your money whenever they want as they are not banks, and when they got trigger happy with the ban, there's very little you can do, especially if you live in a third world country. It's important to not save any money on those platforms and to diversify in case something happens to your account. I'm currently using PayPal, Wise, and Stripe, but I also heard good things from Venmo and Pioneer. But at the end of the day, you can only trust your banks to keep your money. Okay, so that's 3 things you can do to avoid getting scammed. Good luck on your commission. If you need me for commission, you can send me a request on VGen. Visit my shop on Etsy to see if anything piques your interest. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Damn, the camera. The camera. Oh. Ayo.